Hello guys, and welcome back to Unconventional Designs. Good to be back on my channel. I've been out for a couple of months now. I've been kind of busy and I trust you guys are doing very well too. Today we'll be talking about something very exciting, which is how to design animated splash screen using Figma. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into it and see the amazing piece that we're going to create today. So this is the screen, and this is Figma. For those that are just joining or you just came across my video, for the people that have been following my channel, we already know the jokes. So firstly, this animation costs like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 screens to be able to achieve this animation that I'm going to show you right now. Alright, so this is the animation. This is how the screens are displaying, and it took me 12 screens, like I mentioned earlier. So amazing stuff. So if you want to know how to do this, just stick to the end of the video, and you also have access to the design file link, right? So I would be putting that in the description below. Right, so basically, to achieve this animation, a couple of Figma prototype functions were added, and such as the after delay and the smart animates, and some of the gentle feature, ease in, ease out, and the likes, right? So I would be replicating this for the sake of the video, and also walking you through the design again. So this is what it shows. So that's like screen by screen, showing this gentle guy popping up and popping out and displaying out of the screen, right? So amazing. Let's see that once more so that we can digest what we're trying to do, right? So we have this empty screen, we have this icon displaying back to be the dots on this logo. So these are just text that I created by myself, right? And tweaking it to fit in this my imagination, right? So look at that again. We have this empty screen here. Let me give this a little bit of longer time of delay before it shows. So see that we have like the empty screen here, then the logo comes up, twist a little bit, turns to a circle, the circle turns to the dot on the dotting, right? And the dotting dot bounces before it now like thumbs up to give this amazing gradient screen, right? So today I'll be walking you through it again. So let's see how far we can go with that. So to start this amazing design, first thing you do is come to your frame. If you don't know what frame is, you can go to some of our other videos and see how we start the mobile application design. Right, so we have this screen here, and I'm just going to sample the colors because of our time. So we have our color ready made. So designing the empty screen is this guy. This is the first step, right? First step is what? Designing the empty screen. So let me just write that down. Empty screen. So that anybody that's following can follow properly. So empty screen. That's the first thing to do. Empty screen. So first thing is called the empty screen. Then you can turn the bell this to as empty screen. Just for the sake of the design, I'll be doing that. So empty screen. So it's the first screen that the user sees when they launch an application, right? Then the next thing we move on to is our box here, right? So our box here, this is the box that I designed with linear gradient, right? To achieve that, you can design your frame, right? This the size of the frame is 95, so come here, select the frame and put it there and give it 95, right? Both sides. So The feature here is a feature that constrains your property, so where you can have both sides at 95, 95, 100, 100, whatever value you want to use, right? So we have that. Then you give you a border radius of, let's say, 32 thereabouts, right? Then you just copy this grid and color and drop it right inside this guy, right? So now the next thing we'll be doing is moving this. This is the empty screen before. Now we want to put screen plus screen plus logo, yeah, plus logo. So screen plus logo, we drop that inside of this guy, right? Then we give it, make it center align. So that's the second screen. So let me show you the interaction now. Come to prototype, select this guy, right? There's a node around your frame. Come here and select after delay. After delay, give it like 1500 milliseconds, right? Then you will smart animate, and let's say let it ease in, right? So if I play this now, you see what it gives. That's the first step. Empty screen, then shows this guy. Let's go back here. Empty screen, then shows this guy. Fantastic. So let's move forward. So the next thing on our agenda here is that we have here is empty screen plus logo, which is done. Plus logo. Right. Nice. So the next thing here is turning this logo around a little bit, right? Tilting it, right? So now we tilted this guy this way to give minus 45%, minus 45 degrees rather. So we're seeing minus 45 degrees tilt, right? Tilted of minus 45 degrees. Then we're still giving it same effect, right? Not on top, but still after delay. And we're selecting this after delay. You see this is in 100, fine. So if you come here again, play this guy, we have this screen coming, then it tilts. Can you see? Very interesting tilts to give our animation. Our animation is coming together gradually, right? So we say screen plus logo tilted. So we need it tilted. Screen plus logo tilted. Right. So so the next is screen plus logo tilted. I'm trying to be fast as possible so you don't yeah, so that's that. Then the next step is making the logo rounded, right? So we come again and do the next step, which is making our logo round. So just give you like just add a random figure here. I'm sorry. Adding a random figure here to make this go round. So that's like 332, still round regardless. So next step is we're still doing the same prototype. Come to prototype, select your node to the next. So let's give it after delay and the same property. So let's test it and see what we've been able to achieve. So we're saying empty screen, this screen, right, tilted, then it turns to a circle, right? But the way the circle came in very sharp, so let's give the ease more, let's say 800, right? Yeah, so that's fine. So let's test it again and see. Comes in, shows this guy, then it turns, so it's kind of relaxed a little bit now. So we're saying screen logo tilted plus circle. So those are like the two sides. Then moving into the logo design now. So the font I used here was called Brotex bricolage good text. So I'll just put the name in between. It's called bricolage good text. So one thing I did was to firstly reduce the size of my press K to scale your logo size, right? And come here to to create an outline, right? To create an outline. So basically, I'm just doing down top of my head, right? If you want to know how to do it, you can always find a way around it for yourself, right? So now our circle is here and our logo is here. So the next thing we want to do is duplicate this guy, right? And bring our font into it, right? So our font is our logo is this guy. So I change the color of our logo to white and bring this guy right into the frame, right? And I'm sending it back, right? So now I'm coming here to check the size of this dot here, which is 10.32. So 10.32 here moves like this. So it's supposed to come here, right? So I just reduced that. I already come there. So fantastic. So now the next step is checking what we used here, which is this after delay smart animate gen 2. So select this guy, drag your frame to this guy, then after delay smart animate gen 2. So we come and select gen 2 at 800. Fantastic. So let's see what it looks like. Select this, shows the first frame, this round. Then this amazing, 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 amazing. So we're getting there, low key, we're getting there. So let's move. So the next screen is the screen where we want the bounce effect, right? We want our guide to go up and go down and go up and go down and go up and up. So it's here now. So the next thing is we want it to go up, but not too much up, just a little bit up, right? Then we want it to go down back again. After it's gone up, it has to go down. So anything that goes up must come down. That's law of gravity. So it's back to where it's supposed to be, right? So I think we are good that way. So now let's check. Let's check what we've been doing. So now we did this, we got it right. So let's move. We come here to select after delay again. Come here to do this gen 2 and this other guy, right? Fantastic. So let's test what we have here again. So come here, see the splash screen, tilt, round, gives this amazing guy, it goes up, right? Fantastic. So we've not connected it to go down, so let's connect the last part of it so that it can go down. So after delay, select after delay, gen 2 again. Fantastic. So I don't know if you saw that when it came down, right? But see, let's see again. Tilt, circle, this guy goes up and it comes down again, right? So then we replicate that twice again. So let's do this. So I'm bringing our circle to the height of the first one that was up because we want it to give like two bounce effects, right? We want it to go up and down, right? Up, down before it goes out. So that it gives like this enjoyable moment, like the nice experience, right? So we select this here and select this here and select this here, right? So it becomes they're on the same line now, right? So I'm just trying to perfect so that I don't miss the arrangement, right? So that's very fantastic. So we need to do that. So let's connect them together again. So we've connected this. Let's connect this together. After delay, then connect this again. So after delay, fantastic. So let's test that again because we need to know we need to enjoy the experience the way we're doing it. So we're sure we're doing the right thing. So let's start again. Start this. Empty screen shows this tilt, circle. Fantastic. Then it goes up and goes down and goes up again and goes down. Fantastic. So I think something we can do is to make those dots faster, but let's complete the last screen and let me show you how it's starting level is before we make some other adjustments, right? So that you don't get lost in what we're doing currently. So the next step is to enlarge the circle, right? To fill the screen, right? Just select the circle to fill the screen, right? Fantastic. So now, immediately we're done with this, you select your prototype, you move your node to the end, and then after delete, right? Very fantastic, right? So let's see the outcome of that. Just did this, it hits, talks to a circle, bring out the logo name, bounces up and down, right? Up and down, but I feel like that dot bouncing is too slow, right? You can make it faster. Then it comes out, right? Very fantastic. So we can still do this. We can still make this a little bit nice, where you have like this slow now. I want to say, let's test what slow looks like on it. So let's try this again. I want it to come like a little bit slower, not the last screen coming so fast, right? Up down, right? Then the last screen comes in very slowly. You can see that it looks so detailed, right? Very amazing. Catch your attention, right? So now the what we're supposed to do to this guys here that are kind of very slow is they come here. The gentle mode is the after delay also is too slow, so let's do like a 300. The gentle might still remain the same way, but the after delay is kind of too delaying. It's delaying, yeah, the after delay is too delaying. So let's say 300. Oh, sorry. Oh, we say 300, yeah. Then we select this guy. Yeah, I think this guy works. So let's try again. Let's see what we have. Yeah, tilt, circle, this. Oh, still stalling a little bit. Right, it's still gentle. It's still too gentle. So let's reduce the gentle percent to also 300. Let's see what comes out from that. Let's see. Oh, okay, this is 300. Then into your one at 300, right? So let's try and see what's coming out, what's popping. 300, then 380. Alright, let's test, let's see. So this amazing, right? There's then right, you see the bounce is now very fast. It's giving us like this very amazing nice vibe right now, right? So let's display that properly on the full screen so that you can see the details, right? Fantastic. So let's see, let's play that on the full screen. And we have the flows. So let's start. Let's get it. Alright, so this is the screen. We have this amazing design. A little bit tilt, round. It pops in to form the dot. Then it pops like that. Like it's so really satisfying for me. Amazing. So we have this tilt. Goes into the logo and goes up and down and pops out. Like it's so really amazing, man. So guys, if you find this really exciting and you want to try it out, you can always follow through the video, and I would like to, you can follow through the screens here. Then this is like the final screen, right? Yeah, bounce plus circle, which is bounce, right? So basically the link to the example will be in the description link, right, for you to just go through and follow through by yourself. If you have any question, you can always drop a comment. I will be here to answer you guys. So really amazing, guys, really short video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, share to your friends, tell them to come and subscribe, please. If this is your first time joining or watching this video, please subscribe, comment, like the videos and the ones before now. Stay tuned to this channel to get amazing tips like this on UI UX, Figma tool, and maybe other design tools in times to come, right? So, guys, have a nice time, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, please. God bless you guys. Peace out. Thanks.